I don't want to be a loser.
Back up a minute. You know what a loser is? A real loser is somebody that's so afraid of not winning, they don't even try. Now, you're trying, right?
Yeah.
Well, then you're not a loser.
Hi guys, it's your tutor Jewel. Look for bullish engulfing candlestick. Step 2. Change to line chart. Step 3. Look for broken resistance. The resistance become support. Bullish engulfing. Step 4. Pull out your Fibonacci and major. .0 on the shadow, 100% on the close. $161.8 entry level.